These sell really, really well. They sell to people who have some moolah. So you got to step it up on these kind of houses. I'll be damned. What the hell is going on around here? There we go. Flipping a burned house is a challenge, but we have done so many of these. We love them and we kind of specialize in them. So if you have a burned house, call Matthew. This is a house that I bought recently. It's actually in Mountain Brook, but it's zoned Vestavia, which is kind of unusual. Got to get my flashlight. Every good flipper needs a good flashlight. Now that all the inspections off and the drywall is done, we're ready to bring in a crew to come in here and do the trim and painting and get the house finished. There's going to be a little bit of smell because the hardwoods are not redone yet. So the most important thing on a firehouse is rebuilding what's charred and burned, but also getting that smell out of the house because you don't want to have that smell. So we ordered a kitchen. It'll be here next week. We desperately need to get a crew over here to start painting this thing, priming it. But what we do is once we change the wood, we have this special paint that goes over anything that has any fire damage that we kept and that has any smoke. And it really does hide the smell. We spent probably 10 grand just on that paint here. And you can smell a little bit in here, but I'm happy that it's just in here and we'll be able to clean it up more too. Leo is our drywall crew. Once we get our rough inspections done, we have the drywall usually on site, and then him and his team goes and does all the drywall on all of our houses. Because I'm gonna tell you what's important is if you're flipping on scale, you need to do the drywall really well. And you need an actual crew that's what they specialize in, because rough drywall and rough tile is very important on flips. People notice jacked up drywall and people notice jacked up tile. Look, all right, buddy, I'll see you, thank you. Hey, you can lock up when you leave? Yeah. All right, buddy. You know what's different here is we brought in one of our crews after we got all the inspections off. We hung the drywall, and now we have been putting trim and paint back on the walls. All the hardwoods are now installed. The handrails are installed. We're getting close. So we have cabinets going in next week. We've actually already had a few buyers come over here to kind of look at the property and see if they have any interest. So, you know, it's getting there. So, you know, this house had a very small fire, nothing big, but we did have to rebuild the roof over one of the bedrooms. This house is gonna be in the mid to upper 800s. You can't put any other flooring, in my opinion, in a house like this other than real oak hardwoods. So all this is existing, but we did have to change some of the hardwoods in the master bedroom, and that's what he's in here working on. It didn't have any fire damage, but what they usually have is they have water damage because the firemen get here and they spray so much water in the house that everything starts to buckle. And a lot of times you can fix buckled flooring by sanding it, but these are too far gone. So, you know, there's not much to do on the exterior, so we're going to paint all the windows, all the trim. Because of the fire, the heat gets so hot sometimes that we did have to change out probably 6 or 7 windows here, because what will happen is the heat, it breaks the seals on the windows where it gets real hot. So we had to replace that front window. We had to replace a few of these windows and several in the back. This is one of those houses we're not gonna paint the brick because there's a pretty strict HOA in here because it's an upper scale neighborhood, and there's very few painted brick houses here. So we're just gonna keep the existing rig like it is, pressure wash it, and paint the trim. All right, LETSGO, homie. What's up, guys? How y'all doing? Everybody moving? I like it. We got a lot happening here today. We're having it staged. We're meeting with the inspectors here to get our final done. We didn't really change much of the layout. We just came in and kind of replaced everything that was needed to be replaced. But I think it turned out really good. We added some new built-ins, some marble around the fireplace. It's probably a little bigger of a rehab than just your normal flip. But hey, we do a lot of firehouses and I kind of enjoy those. Those are ones that you can really go in and do a lot of framing and really make a big difference on them. The hardwoods turned out really good. Water just sat on the floors, and water will stain hardwoods if you're not careful. So a lot of times we'll pull those out and kind of lace the new ones back in, and everything turned out great. Where are you putting sod at?
Backyard, and then sod goes right here as well.
Oh, that'll be perfect. Hey, maybe clean all that up really good too, okay?
I think we're gonna take these out, that one.
Yeah, okay.
That one's in the front.
Okay, perfect. And the neighbors here could not be any nicer. Every neighbor has been great. Because, I was worried about that because what a pain having so many workers parked in all these tight quarters. But man, they've been great. They've all been so sweet.